Right. This type of question is still causing some problems, and I can see why. It does look tricky, but out of all this table, right, you're only going to really use that and that. Okay. The first thing I've done is to write down that cosine 0 degrees is 1. And cosine 90 degrees is 0. Why cosine? Well, it's a cosine question. And those are just two facts that you just should know. You've just got to know that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to, first of all, I'm going to use this fact that cosine 90 is 0. And I'm going to use this to hopefully work out A. All right? Because I know that when it is 90 degrees, in the whole equation, somehow I get 5. So I'm going to see if I can work out A. Here we go. So A subtract B, because I don't know what B is yet. Cosine 90 degrees equals, well, 5. So when it's 90 degrees, I get 5. Okay. But cosine 90 degrees is 0. Well, something times, so basically what I've got here is got A take away B times 0 equals 5. Well, B times 0 is 0, isn't it? So basically that's got to be 5. A must be 5. So that's a bit of a help. All right. So what have I got now? I've got 5 subtract B cosine x equals y, because I know that A is 5. Okay. Now I'm going to work out B, and I'm going to use this bit here. So where I said that cosine 0 equals 1, I'm going to use that. Okay. Don't get confused with that being 1 because 0 degrees, it's not. Okay. All we know is y is 1. When we're working with 0 degrees, right, we're going to get 1 is y. So I'm going to see what I can do with this. So 5 subtract B cosine 0 degrees, and I know that when it is 0 degrees, y is worth 1. So the whole thing is worth 1. But I know that cosine 0 degrees is 1 itself. So 5 subtract B times 1 equals 1. Well, B times 1 is B, isn't it? Yeah. So 5 take away B equals 1. Well, guess what? B is 4. So I've now got the full equation. The full equation is 5 subtract 4 cosine x degrees equals y. All right. And all I've done is use basically that and that. Okay. Work out y when x is 45 degrees. Well, first of all, just over here, I'm going to do my unit triangle. So for 45 degrees, okay, a bit rough. There's my right angle, and there's my 1, there's my 1, and there's my root 2 by Pythagoras. 45 degrees. And cosine 45 degrees adjacent over hypotenuse, so that's 1 over root 2. So cosine 45 degrees equals 1 over root 2. All right, okay. Well, I can stick that in there then, can't I? So if I do, so 5 subtract 4 cosine 45 degrees equals y. Wants me to work out what y is going to be. So 5 subtract 4 times 1 over root 2 equals y. Okay, getting there. 5 times 4 over root 2, because 4 times 1 over root 2 is just 4 over root 2 equals y. Right, I'm going to do something with this bit. I'm going to tidy it up, because we shouldn't really have the third on the bottom. We're going to rationalise it, and we're going to do that over here. So here we go. So 4 over root 2, well, the way to rationalise is times by root 2 on the denominator and numerator, which gives me 4 root 2, root 2 times root 2 is 2. I can just half the 4, can't I? So that's going to give me 2 root 2. All right, so I'm going to write here 5. The rationalised version is that 5 subtract 2 root 2 equals y, and that's it.